Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful night. Let's see, so today we're going to do an unboxing of 3 beautiful paintings from Paintsomeway. They reached out to me and they asked me if I would show you guys some paintings, and I said sure, why not. Now Paintsomeway, guys, they sell a little bit of everything. They have cross stitch, they have of course diamond paintings, keychains, wreaths, frames, what else? Tools like pens, storage boxes, and they also have oil paintings by numbers. Okay, so a little bit of everything. All right, so let's begin with the first one. The first one, I just thought it was hilarious. I just love it. It's called White Calf, and it's a full round diamond painting. It is 30 by 30 centimeters, and it's got 23 colors. So let me bring the beautiful calf. I just love it. It looks like it's looking, this is the fence, and there's some flowers here, and it's like looking up to the other side, and what's going on the other side. So anyway, I think it's just hilarious. Let me bring him up. You can see how clear that is. Nose. All right, let's see how sticky this baby is. Super sticky. Okay, it comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And this one, by the way, guys, is $4.99. Very good price. Okay, and these are the, okay, make sure that we have the right one, E862, 862. All right, let's open up these drills. And it looks like they're in order. And like I mentioned before, these are round. All right, let's see. All right, so let's start. And I'm just going to turn them this way because you can't really see the DMC number on these. So you can see the colors better. Let me move this over here. Okay, so it looks like you have, this must be for the flowers. It's like a dark purple. These are all grays. Okay, more grays, all different grays. This is like a mustard, another gray, a very pretty green, looks like a sage, and more purple, must be probably for the flowers too. And green, that must be for the background. And then more grays, dark blue, a very pretty green, pink, that must be probably for the nose or the ears. And then there's a flower because the white calf is wearing a little flower. And then another green, blue, and more greens. Lots of greens and purples and pinks. Look at these. Very pretty. Okay, so this has 23 colors. All right. Very cute. Let's move the little calf over there. All right, the next one is called Cat. And I thought this was hilarious. This was a full round DP, and but look at, he has his paws on his head, and he's like, what the heck is going on? And that's me every day. And it's got purple, which is a very pretty color behind him. And it's just a very cute cat, very funny cat. Okay, this one's 30 by 30 also centimeters, and this one's got 22 colors. Very, very, very clear. Look at that cute cat, guys. And let's see. And this one's also $4.99. Super sticky, which is very nice. Okay, this one comes with also with the tray, pen, and wax. They all do. This is also a round. I believe they're all round. And these are the colors. So this one obviously is going to have lots of yellows and lots of purples. Sorry about the noise. These are also in order, which is nice. Okay. I can hear my mom sneezing. Bless you, mommy. Okay, so here we go. Did I tell you? Lots of purples, guys. This is brown. It's probably like a round. The eyes. More purples. Lots of purples. Orange. Yellow, like a yellow orange. It's like a tan yellow. That's for the cat. And And this is like a tan, I guess. This is like a chocolate tan, a very light one. It's like a yellow green, not a yellow green, oh my gosh. Yeah, yellow orange, purple, like an off-white. It's like a light brown, and another yellow. And then over here you have like a mustard, a white, must be for the paws, and like a little light green. Okay, absolutely gorgeous colors, guys. Love this cap. Okay, and then I figure I pick another one, but it's for the fall. So this one's called Pumpkin Goblin, and this one's also a full round, and this one is a 30 by 40 centimeters, and this one actually has 20 colors, so it's got less colors than the other two, which are smaller. And this one is also $4.99, perfect price. Look at the colors on this one, guys. My gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous, perfect for the fall. So it's a very pretty goblin or gnome with, he has a black crow, and he's got sunflowers around him, and I'm not sure, oh yeah, that's a pumpkin. I think that's a pumpkin, and then there's like leaves falling, just perfect for the fall. Super clear. All right, let's see. Super sticky. These are all very sticky. Okay, comes with the boat or the tray, wax, and a pen. Put that over there. And then these are the colors. Now, as you can see, these are actually different baggies. So these you don't have to cut. And I think these are in order. I think. Maybe not. All right, let's see. I'm just going to show you the colors very quickly. So you got oranges, that's a pretty red, a gray, it's like a mustard color. Wow, this is very pretty. It's like a peachy, apricot, I don't know, green. Can you see that? I'm just gonna lay them out so you can see them. This one's another green, off-white. This is a blue. And that must be probably maybe for the sunflowers or the crow. I have no idea. This is very pretty. Very fall colors. Can you see that, guys? I'll hold this up so you can see it better. The yellow for the sunflowers, a very pretty green, and I believe that's what the goblin is wearing. And then it's got light pink. Where is that? Oh, that must be for the goblin or the gnome. And then you have brown. That must be for the middle of the sunflowers, actually. And then probably for the pumpkins. So, yeah. So, absolutely beautiful colors. Let's move this aside and bring all three out. So, I hope you like them. I love them. Tell me which one is your favorite. Is it the calf, the baby cow? Or is it the funny cat wondering what the heck? Or is it the gnome, the goblin, the pumpkin goblin? All right, so that's about it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I just wanted to say again, thank you again for thank you for all my subscribers, and especially for my new subscribers also. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Bye bye, guys.